Hello everybody. This is just a small presentation on the small group project that is due this week. This is the rubric that is posted on Canvas. And you'll notice that there are 4 parts of the assignment. Part 1 was the choosing of the group leader and the topic that you were going to do. And then the next 3 parts, these are the things that I want to point out. Part 2, you were to submit an individual resource and a summary of that resource. Excuse me. And basically this is, just think about this as a research project like we did with the informative speeches. You're going to research, you've chosen your topic, and you are going to do this part of the topic. You're going, the illustration we were using earlier today with some students was you're going to talk about sports injuries. And out of your group, you're going to focus on sports injuries among professional athletes. So you're going to do your research. You're going to find a source that is related to that topic that you're going to use in your presentation, in your part of the project. And you will write a summary, 1 to 2 page summary. And in that summary, you would include the bibliographic information necessary in APA format. What I would suggest you do is you put that bibliographic information at the top of your page, and then underneath that write the summary of the article. That's individual, so each one of you has to do that as part of the group project. The third part is a 4-page summary, a 4-page project. And the 4-page project is the small group project itself. So this is what you are collaborating on in this 4-page paper. This is your persuasive argument that you're putting together. And so that's what is the group project, rests on those 4 pages. The last part is a 3 to 5 minute summary, individual summary of each student. Now you can construct this in a variety of ways. What I am looking for is, number 1, what was your project? You have to summarize that. You have to tell me what you were persuading your audience to do. And then number 2, you have to describe what you did in the project. And that, as I said, is to be 3 to 5 minutes. So you're not reading a page from your paper. You're not giving a speech. You basically are saying, okay, this is what our group argued. This is what our position we took. And this is what my role in this paper was. And those things then should be put on Canvas. Now, underneath the rubric on the same page, same module, excuse me, on the same module, you will find these things. If I can scroll to them. I'm getting there. Give me just, oops, I think, did I go too far? I think I went too far. Okay, here you will find, this is week 5. Ignore the dates there. This is the rubric that I just went over. This is part 2. This is where you will upload your 1 to 2 page summary. This is part 3. This is where you will upload the 4-page paper. And make sure when you upload that paper that you include everybody's name that participated in the writing of that paper. If somebody did not participate, don't include their name in the paper. So it will be only those who finished the project. And then the next part, there's not a part 4, is the small group presentation itself. Now, as I've said to some of you others, you have 2 basic ways that you can deliver your summary on Thursday. Number 1 is you can deliver it in class. So I need to know of any of you who want to do that. Second, you may deliver it on WebEx. A third way, and this is only be in rare cases, you can you can record it, but I don't want you to do that. And what you will do then is this score here, 11:30, which is not the correct date. I should have changed it for later in the week, but I think I was thinking of another class. This date, this is the final points. This is what I will score here. So I want you to use part 2 for your individual summary, part 3 for the paper that the group does, the project the group does, and then finally the final thing then will be your presentation. As I said, think of the 4-page paper. Let's say that you are working together. You're working in a company, and your instructor your employer, your supervisor has assigned you a task that you are supposed to research this project, come up with a proposal, and then you are to turn that proposal in. That's what that 4-page paper is. That's what you are turning in as your group project. All right, I hope this has helped clarify things. If not, I will be logged in on Wednesday from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. for my office hours for this class. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to call me. And I hope this helps, and we will see you on Thursday.